All right, I want to switch gears now, hopefully put a smile on your face. We're taking action for you. We got some good news tonight about a story we flushed out for you. On Friday, thieves broke into this South Memphis church. They took technology and the toilet. Yeah, but guess what? A good Samaritan watched our story and generously gifted Greater New Hope Missionary Baptist Church a new latrine. They installed it this morning. Choate's air conditioning, heating, and plumbing are the fine folks who did this. Pastor Gregory Harris says he has had to turn down multiple offers from people wanting to help.
It feels great to know that there are so many generous people out there that are willing to help you in your time of need. It also instills hope into us to know that, listen, bad things happen, but whether you know it or not, other people, when they hear of it, they want to help and pitch in. So it was a great feeling for us as a church to know that other people care about us like we care about them.
Harris says there are still a few items that need replacing after the break-in, but at least the commode issue has been handled.